Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Tally ERP 9 without a license. Tally ERP 9 offers an educational mode, which is perfect for learning and practice. This mode provides access to nearly all features, allowing you to explore the software's capabilities thoroughly. It's an excellent way to familiarize yourself with accounting processes and Tally's interface before committing to a full license. You can perform various transactions and generate reports. While the educational mode is robust for learning, it does have a few key limitations. The most significant is the date restriction, where you can only enter transactions on the 1st, 2nd, and 31st of any month. Additionally, you cannot save or print your work, meaning any data entered will not persist after closing the application. This setup ensures it's used for practice rather than actual business operations. To get started, first download and install Tally ERP 9 from the official Tally Solutions website. Once installed, launch the application. On the startup screen, you'll see an option to work in educational mode. Simply select this option, and you'll be ready to explore. There's no need for product key or any activation steps, making it incredibly easy to dive right in and begin your learning journey. To make the most of Tally ERP 9 educational mode, focus on practicing core accounting functions. Create various ledgers, enter different types of vouchers, and generate financial reports like the balance sheet and profit and loss statement. Pay close attention to the navigation and how different modules interact. This hands-on experience will build a strong foundation, preparing you for real-world accounting tasks and potentially a licensed version.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.